stretch of road running to reach Goose Arm Road. Perfectly legal and thankfully pretty short. It's just enough to remind us that yes, these machines technically belong in the woods. Today was only a 55-kilometer ride. Sounds short, right? Well, distance means nothing on Newfoundland trails. What it lacked in mileage, it made up for in challenges, adventure, and some of the most jaw-dropping scenery we've seen yet. In the past, we've taken the trail through Bottomless Pond. Let's just say the last couple of trips didn't exactly go smoothly as everything was completely flooded out. So this year, I chose the standard route, the one most sane people take. First time for us on that trail, so I wasn't entirely sure what the dirt bikes would be facing. There were definitely a few technical sections early on, and Ken and Jen had to stay locked in and focused until we finally hit the logging road. After that, though, things opened up nicely.
You are amazing!
We made our annual stop at the Lomond Sinkhole. It never gets old. 30 meters down, 45 meters wide, with a brook tumbling nearly 100 feet straight down before disappearing into the rock. It's one of those places that makes you stop mid-sentence. If Newfoundland had a list of natural wonders, this would be near the top. It was formed when the roof of a massive underground cave collapsed, and now it's become a must-see for sledders and off-roaders like us. The cavern is massive. To put the size in perspective, this is Ken. Can you see him? It's not a casual stroll. The hike down is steep and sketchy, and the climb back up, let's just say you'll discover muscles you didn't know you had. And be careful, because one loose rock could ruin your day in a hurry. But it's beautiful, but you have to respect it. We rolled into Lomond River Cabins and Trailer Park, where we'd be staying for 2 nights. And when I say we had a good time here, that would be the understatement of the year. We had an amazing time. We'd asked them if a meal might be available when we arrived. What we got instead was a feast fit for royalty. We weren't sure if we were checking into cabins or a 5-star lodge hidden in the woods. The meal was perfect. This is a meal fit for a king. What do you guys think?
Oh my God. You gotta come to Lomond.
Absolutely delicious.
They did a
and
fantastic job.
prepared to perfection and clearly went above and beyond.
Yeah.
I'll have some more great.
To top it off, the owner offered us the use of her vehicle the next day so we could tour around Gros Morne National Park. Now that's hospitality you wouldn't find anywhere else in the world. A full day off the bikes to explore and recharge. Exactly what this crew needed. You know, that's what happens at every movie, in a horror movie. Somebody makes a joke like that.
Oh my God,
Then it
that's
happens.
beautiful river.
After stuffing ourselves silly and sampling more than just a few local beverages, we wandered down to the river to relax and take in the evening. Sometimes the best part of an adventure is just slowing down. camping or just need a cabin on the west coast of Newfoundland, give Lomond River Cabins a call. It's a beautiful spot. I'm not getting paid for this endorsement, but I just absolutely loved it there. We'll definitely be back. Incredible hosts, and hands down some of the friendliest people you'll ever meet. We had such an amazing time. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.